Hi, Candy Shaw here, super excited to show you one of my most favorite French haircuts, the Pixie. I mean, the Pixie has been around for so long. However, I do think that stylists sometimes struggle with really good looking short haircuts that aren't hard. They have a soft French flavor about them. And in my academy in Atlanta, that's what we teach, French haircutting. And I'm excited to share with you my model, Darden. I'm going to show you a 5-minute Pixie, how you can put more dollars to that bottom line and make sure that you have the perfect step-by-step body position, hand position, and scissor position. French haircutting is vastly different than British haircutting, and I am excited to share with you some of my tips and tricks of how to do so.